Hello friends, now we are going to see one pattern that's name is homing pigeon. It is bullish candlestick pattern. First candle should be long bearish candlestick pattern. Second candle should be small bearish candlestick pattern. This chart is example of Reliance Communication. Here it is go bearish, and here the homing pigeon is made. Now it is going up. Means it is reversal. No, it is continuation pattern. Means it is go down. So here it is made. So it will go up and up. That time the pattern not come bearish candlestick pattern. If the this homing pigeon makes here, so you will think that it is reversal pattern, so it will go down. No, it will go up only. Small bearish candlestick pattern and long bearish candlestick pattern that time. This second candle should be between to this first candle. The volume should be in this uptrend, means this way, bigger. Sometimes this volume is this way. Wait. It will go down this volume. Then you will think now if it is going up, so it will go down. No. It will work samely only. Homing pigeon candlestick pattern is in two types. First type. Second type. Now when this homing pigeon makes, it should be gap up open here in this second candle. This pattern will easily make. So it was seen in intraday chart, daily chart, weekly chart and monthly chart. Intraday. If you are doing intraday trade, so we have to see in 5 minute, 15 minute time hourly chart time frame or hourly. If you are position trader trading, so you have to see in daily chart and weekly chart time frame. Here is our homing pigeon. Here the pattern is made. So when it's come to this much, that time we have to buy. Otherwise, when the second candle is also up and third candle is also up, you can buy in third candle also. I'm saying because sometimes the pattern is not works. So I will say you should wait for 1-2 days. Yeah, and we have to keep the stop loss of this first candle. This, yeah. The the second candle. This is some rules of this candle. The second candle should be completely between the first candle body. Second, the first candle may also be Marish Maru Bozu candlestick pattern. Third, to buy after the homing pigeon candlestick pattern, the new candle homing pigeon candlestick pattern must be closed on the top of the first candle. Fourth, the smaller the second candle will be as well as the homing pigeon candlestick pattern works well. Here and this chart, see here it is go down. So here it make the homing pigeon. Now it is go up little bit. It can be go down because every time it can be bullish. Little bit bearish can come, no. But if any bearish candlestick pattern is come, that stock we have to sell. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.